Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix profile view option not showing on TikTok in 2022. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, let me show you here in my TikTok. It's not showing here. So to fix this, what you have to do is just simply go back to your home screen and then open settings in your phone. So guys, from here you have to tap on apps or app management or app manager. So then tap on app settings, search TikTok, and then tap on permissions and make sure that you have allowed all the permissions from here. I have already allowed it, so go back and then tap on force stop, then tap on OK, and then tap on notification. Make sure that you have allowed all the notification from here, and then tap on storage and cache, then clear cache and clear storage, and then go back to your home screen and then open Play Store and search here for TikTok. Here you can see I have an update. If you have, then what you have to do is just simply tap on update. So you can see here it's updating here. And then tap on open. And then let me show you where it's showing or not. Tap on privacy. So guys, you can see here it's showing here. So just simply tap on this and then turn on. So you can see here, see who viewed your profile the past 13 days and allow other people to see that you viewed theirs. Only you can see who viewed your profile. You can turn this off anytime. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.